Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. I wanted to make a video to announce that I am doing a giveaway for Black Friday. So if anyone out there is interested in getting for free my Mastering Pinterest course where I teach you how to drive unlimited traffic from Pinterest to any type of business, whether you are an Etsy seller, a blogger, you have your own small business, maybe Shopify, Amazon, or want to start affiliate marketing, this is a course for you. So if you want to get a chance to win the free course, make sure that you head over to my Instagram account. I will leave my Instagram link in the comment section below. It's also up here if you guys want to take a peek. It's Nancy Badillo 13. Majority of you guys already follow me there. But if you don't, make sure that you head over to my Instagram account to go ahead and enter a chance to win the giveaway. This is the actual post here, and you would just have to click on it and just follow the caption here. It has all the details on how to join for the giveaway. So just keep in mind, the giveaway ends on November 27th. So the sooner you do it, the better. That way you don't forget. And I randomly select the winner, and that person is going to be, they're going to receive a message via direct message on Instagram on the 29th of the person that I chose to win. So guys, make sure that you check it out. Go to my Instagram account to get all the details today. Thank you guys for watching.